So I'm in Singapore's Changi airport, and it's so amazing. Every time I come to Singapore, something is different, something is new, and this waterfall. Look at this. It's amazing. I mean, you can't believe it. So I think, oh wow, look at Singapore is a great country and always on the move, and people are taking photos here. No wonder. It's a great photo spot, and chicken was smooth, and things are so on the move here, and I like these plants. Are they real plants? I wonder. Yes, they are real plants. How wonderful! I love real plants. So, oh, that's departure. So, space here. Oh, there are some bunch of other plants. So I like this mixture of high tech and natural habitat. If birds and butterflies were flying around, that would be perfect. But you can't ask too much, and hopefully it's not a great idea from the animal's point of view. Anyway, let's see what are the dining options. So this trip to Singapore was very short, but it was really great in reconnecting with your childhood and waking up your inner child, and that way you can actually reconnect with your childhood days and strengthen your ikigai. Ikigai is, after all, it comes from your childhood and how you played, forgetting the passage of time in the childhood. That is actually the prototype of all ikigai, even if you're adult. And I think that's a great inspiration that I got from my stay here in Singapore. Look at this waterfall. People are taking photos all the time because it's so wonderful. I mean, it's a marvel. So you feel like a child. You don't see adults taking videos or photos. When they are grown-ups. But I'm taking video here. I feel like a child, and I have, revived my ikigai. How wonderful! So I'm in different part of Changi Airport, and this is sunflower garden. How wonderful! I wonder if sunflowers are already here, always here, but they must be because it's a sunflower garden. So it's a really wonderful flavor. I think the sunflower garden, the magic of Changi Airport. Wonderful. It's really wonderful. I didn't expect this. Wow. I think because this is on the equator. The sun would be up in the northern sky and the southern sky depending on the season. So having the sunflower like this would be a really great indicator of the seasons, and I think that's the whole point, maybe, because the sunflower would turn its head or whatever it is to the sun. So there's a bee flying around. So there's a plane. What a genius to produce. There are some butterflies. Wow, wonderful. It's my dream. Wow, look at this. There's some butterflies here. Well, I had my butterfly moment in Changi Airport. Wow, fantastic. Different kinds of sunflowers as well. Amazing. I'm in Terminal 2. When you're in Terminal 2 of Changi Airport, you should that's airplane. That's not airplane. Butterfly flying around. You should definitely visit the Sunflower Garden. Oh, there it is, the logo, the Sunflower Garden. Amazing.